warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syarifah Safina with NIM 2024-3252 from Class D, Information System Major. Okay, in this video, I will explain to you about linear regression using 9 data in advertising costs. And for the first is data table. The table presents 15 observational data to see the relationship between advertising costs and sales. Advertising cost is independent variable, namely the amount of cost incurred for advertising. And the second is sales, the dependent variable, which is the sales result measured after advertising expenditure. And for the next is x square, the square of the x value used for regression and correlation calculation. And y square is used for the calculation of regression statistic. For the next is x multiply y, multiplication between x and y used to find the slope of the regression line, and the total is column for calculate the mean, slope, and intercept. For the second table is regression calculation table. Parameter n is number of observation data. For the second, average x is average advertising cost. For the third is average y is average cost of sales. And for the fourth is b or slope is regression coefficient. Every additional 1 unit of x will increase by 1.34. And for the last is a or intercept. Y-axis intersection point. When x is 0, the y value is estimated to be 368. For the next table is correlation and determination table. First parameters is correlation coefficient or R. The strength and direction of the relationship between x and y, positive and very strong, close to 1. And for the second parameters is coefficient of determination. The explanation indicate that 79.3% of the variation in sales can be explained by advertising ad spend. This is the graphics. X-axis is for advertising cost and y-axis is for the sales. The graph show that advertising costs increase, sales also increase linearly. Okay, for the next, I will explain to you about summary output explanation. For the first is table regression statistic. Multiple R is percent correlation coefficient value. The relationship between x and y is very strong and positive. And for the second is R square. The coefficient of determinations means that 79.3% of the variation in sales can be explained by advertising cost. And adjusted R square is variable and sample is useful if there are many variables. And the standard error, an estimate of the average distance of the data points from the regression line. And for the last is observations is number of data or respondents. The second is ANOVA table. First is degrees of freedom, is the number of values in statistical calculation that are free to change after some other values are determined. And for the second is sum of square, is for each source of variation. And for the next is mean square, if the mean square of regression is much larger than the mean square of residual, then the model explain the variation of y well. And for the next is F statistic. F statistic is measuring whether the regression model or x variable as a whole is significant to y. And for the last is significant F or p value. The p-value is show whether the regression model as a whole is significant or not. The third table is coefficient. First is coefficient. Coefficient values show the magnitude of the influence of each variable x on y. And for the second is standard error, indicates the level of uncertainty or variation of the coefficient estimate. And for the third is t-stat, the value of the t-test statistic used to test whether the coefficients are individually significant or not. And for the fourth is p-value, to see whether the coefficient is significant or not too. And for the last is lower or upper 95% or confidence interval. The range of the estimate true value of the coefficient is at the 95 confidence level. Okay, for the final conclusion is the relationship between advertising costs and sales is linear and positive. This regression model is very good and can be used for prediction because the R-square value is high. The positive regression coefficient indicates that there is increase in advertising costs effectively, and the regression table with more data provide much more valid and reliable result. With enough data, the analysis shows that advertising costs significantly and positively affect to sales. I think it's enough from me. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.